Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Treasury Consulting is a well diversified group having offices in three parts of the globe, and more importantly, with a valuation of $500 million with zero debt and zero venture capitalist funding. That's very important. And more importantly, the Indian entity of Treasury Consulting Group will get list in India next year on BSE platform, which is Bombay Stock Exchange. In Indian context, every day one stock or another stock, I would say, get a hype. Like nowadays, the aviation sector is getting a huge hype. Definitely, I would be shooting a very detailed video on Bloomberg Airlines Index and various other airlines ETFs which are available on Reuters and Bloomberg. In the last 1 week, three stocks gather lot of momentum, and unfortunately all three are in insolvency proceedings. One is definitely Diwan Housing, rest two. When it comes to Diwan Housing, in the last 2 days, Diwan Housing is upper circuit. Okay, no problem. And there are variety of information which is coming about Diwan Housing in the public domain. Variety of information which is coming. And sometimes it is very difficult to digest what form of information which is coming in public domain, whether this information himself is the right information or not. That is the most difficult challenge nowadays you need to face actually. Like nowadays there is an information which is coming that Adani Group now wanted to buy Diwan Housing, and they have made bid which is bid of around 31,000 crores, basically more than 31,000 crores, because 31,000 crore is made up by Oaktree Capital. And Diwan Housing made the bid as a, I would say, it's all of a sudden they made the bid. It's like a cricket match when no one was expecting that the ninth batsman will hit, but all of a sudden he hit two sixes, and he let the whole commentators and the people those who are watching the match, they are back in action, that it may possible that this person can win the match. Anyways, I would like to make a short video on Diwan Housing because detailed video is definitely not possible. First of all, time is a constraint, and secondly, not all research can put in the public domain. I would like to request people that, first of all, guys, before you invest in any penny stock, and especially those penny stocks, those who are insolvency proceedings, like as we speak on 18th November, three penny stocks who are in insolvency proceedings, they are getting hype. Please read the balance sheet very carefully. Understand the information which is coming in public domain. Understand this information from all angles, like a 360-degree view. Because in most cases, what happens when a company is in insolvency proceedings, and even a slightest of information is coming, it gets a super hype. And you know the meaning of super hype in India. So my request to all young investors and seasoned investor is that when it comes to such cases, read the information very carefully, because if you do not read the information carefully, you may end up at the wrong side of the curve. That's more important. Like if I read this, I got a data, and that data suggests that the total admitted claim by financial creditors is approximately 87,000 crores, while employees is around 2.29 crores, while operational creditors is 69 crore. So if I add, it is roughly more than 87,000 crores. This much is the total admitted claim by various parties on Diwan housing. And it also said that a forensic report by GT had found several unexplained transactions in Diwan housing book. What more is that a potential buyer is unlikely to cough up a big sum to bankers as a upfront repayment. And another important thing that is important, to whomsoever company Diwan Housing goes, because currently there are many bidders for Diwan Housing, creditors are facing not less than 70% haircut. 70% haircut, which precisely means that 87,000 crores into 70%, which is around more than 56,000 crores. And currently we do not have a figure at least ready with me that how much of this 87,000 crore pertains to this bank, this bank, this bank, this bank. The total listing end up at 87,000 crores. One thing which we really need to understand very carefully as far as penny stocks are concerned, and especially those stocks, those who are in insolvency and bankruptcy proceedings and all of a sudden they are getting hype, is we need to read their balance sheet very carefully, and we need to read as maximum as data which is coming in public domain. I'm not saying that Treasury Consulting is done with the research on Diwan housing, but having said that, there are very interesting elements that are coming before us when we are concluding our research on Diwan housing. I am not in a position to put all interesting elements in the public domain, but really, a lot of things to see, right? So we really need to understand how exactly it happens. Who is going to buy Diwan housing? Because Diwan housing promoter has also offered to pay 100% of the principal amount of the bank loans and other financial institution, other financial creditor. Mr. Kapil Wadhawan, currently in prison on the charges of, and has said that the bids so far do not capture the actual value of the financer. He is having some difference of opinion as far as the valuation is concerned. Generally happens. How things will move up, we really do not know. Promoter is offering 100%. Adani Group bidding is more than Oaktree. Would Adani continue with the same amount? Do not know. Would Oaktree raise their amount? Do not know. Maybe a white knight would come in the picture. We do not know. But having said that, there are three stocks that are really getting momentum nowadays. Really getting momentum nowadays. And out of these three stocks, we have taken position. We are going to be taking position in two, keeping strict stop loss. Because even after doing research, you are not sure enough that whether this would happen or not. It's just like a cricket match whereby experts read the pitch, they give you the pitch forecast, the people give you the day forecast, whether it's a sunny day or a clouding day. All kind of forecasts are available before you, but it happens, even the best team misread this or lose it out. Or on a very sunny day, there is a rain, or as predicted, there are rains, there is no rain. So we are going to be taking position in 2 out of 3 with a strict stop loss. Somewhere or not, you need to play. That is also very important. But I would like to request people that read the balance sheet very carefully, digest as maximum as information coming in public domain, and try and have your own opinion that how exactly or in what way it actually go. That's more important. I understand that few people are always irritated from our videos. You know why? Because we put the content which no one wanted to talk about. While the Hindi media is giving hype to Diwan housing, we are not giving any hype to any stock. And by the way, on 18th October, I just look at on my left hand side to my Bloomberg TV, and I can clearly see that Pfizer, Moderna, and third company, I think it is BioNTech, they all are getting momentum. Why? Because Pfizer and one more company said that they are around 95% effective. And do you know the increase in their share price even after saying 95% effective? If this thing would have happened in Indian market, then I'm sure a stock trading at 400 would be 4,000 in 2 working days. That is more important. I'm not saying that US market don't have operators. There are operators. But at least US markets are having sensible operators. They do not give hype to anything. That is very, very important. I hope you're getting what I wanted to convey. Right? This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting. You know our WhatsApp 9818485155. Have a great time. Talk soon.